Hello, Dr. Friday is here today. I'm excited to guide you through how to display the value in an Excel cell in text box or in a shape. All right. So in this cell, you have 20,000, for example. Okay. And you come and click Insert Text Box, the text box, and click here. All right. So now you have the text box highlighted. The next thing you do is say equals to and take the value in cell and press enter. You see the value will appear here. Okay, you can centralize it. Centralize it. Then if you make any change to the source, like you come and change to, okay, if you are changing here, it will, you see it changing in the text box, right? Then you can also use shape, okay, inserts and take shape, and use shape, right? So it's highlighted, say equals to, take this, press enter. See it, also take shape, right? Go to home, centralize it, can change the color, this, right? So you can also change this, say frame, see it, change it, right? So this is beautiful. So you can change, modify it to suit what you want. If this video is useful to you, kindly like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.